Rainwater harvesting. Can you tell me more about this rainwater harvesting?
Rainwater harvesting is
Beta, don't talk.
rainwater harvesting is a process which the rainwater collected for irrigation, like for agriculture, farming, and cleaning, etc. And it's used.
Means you can see here this is the project, very wonderful project made by this students. Beta, your name? Ankit Chaurasia, class 7. Means this project is made by class 7 Ankit Chaurasia. This is a very wonderful project. This work done, and means whatever the rainwater will collect there, and how we have to after that save that water. This is a very wonderful project made by these students. Wow, beta, wonderful. I appreciate you for making this. Okay, and who make this? You are. Okay, beta. So what is representing this? Terrace cultivation. Means you can see here the terrace cultivation means if we go in the mountainy area like the Seven Sister State in the eastern state of the India, then we will see there like in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, like this their states having the terrace cropping. Can we do there?
Terrace cultivation is mode of growing crop on side of building or mountains that should be by slopes.
Wow. Means in the slope area, means when we go upward to down area, that is the slope area, maximum time we find in the hilly area. Those are what we can say cropping and terrace area. Okay, like which kinds of cropping? Name them. Like cotton there? No, cotton there is not. Like tea, coffee, all these are all kinds of crops are growing. We are growing on that terrace area. Okay, so this is also very good. Okay, well done. Okay, so now thanks you. And your class 18, Simran Yadav. This project is made by Simran Yadav of students class 8. Okay, thank you. We made by the class 9 student, and this is a very good, we can say very good project made by the class 9 students. And this project is based on good habits. In daily life we have a good student, quality of good students should have the good habits. Okay, so can you tell me what are the good habits of a good student?
Yes, sir. Firstly, we have to wake up rice in the morning, then brush our teeth twice a day, then pick up the bath, and we have to just pray the God before coming to the school, and we have to eat healthy food, not the junk food. And before eating the meal, we have to just wash our hands because this is the problem of coronavirus. And second is we have to go to school in a very proper way.
Okay, very good. I am appreciating to this student. This is a what's her name? Rishu Tiwari. This is a student of class 9, and she done a very good project, and this is a very knowledgeable project we can see here. Okay, beta, good. Himalayan mountain means you can see here. This is the Himalayan mountain made by this class 9 student. Beta, your name? Shreya Yadav. Shreya Yadav has been made this Himalayan mountain. Can you tell me about this about your project?
Highest and largest range of mountains in the world.
Yeah. Means you can see here, sir. This is the mountain on this project. Else there is a working on here. So now this is a very good what we can say knowledgeable project we are, and all these students of class 9 has made amazing, we can say amazing project. Whose the guardian will be come here today in PTM size. They will be wonder to look these are the whatever the amazing project has been made by class 9 and class 8. Okay, so now these are all the of our school project work. Those are yes, and this is the solar system. Who made this? You made. And total how much solar planet you have made here? 8. That is the sun. But you should make the sun very large in size. Because of this is also the planet, and also this is not planet, this is the star. No, you just here you make the large size. Yeah. And this is the large one. So this side and this side are in particular similar. Okay, you should make this a large size. Okay. And what is this? Movement. You are the you three. Yes, you have done. Okay. You have done as team one. Okay. What you are thinking about when you creating this? Yes. When you made this, in your mind, what was going on?
How the volcano is reacting.
Yes.
What process is going on.
Yes. Mean in the same theory, in the statistics book, we will study about the how there will be the eruption, and now you are going to make it. You have made this.
Yes.
So now you can feel this how it is going erupt.
Yes.
Means whatever the phenomena is occurring is into the crust.
Yes.
And then after that they come out.
Yes, sir.
But in crust, what you call that? When they are in crust, that is magma. Magma. Then after coming outside, it will
It becomes lava.
Wonderful. Good.
So after cooling down the lava, it becomes igneous rocks.
Okay, well done.